This is an experiment my daughters and I did with this katydid, this cricket, and this cricket. The katydid that came to my home at night looked hungry and was given a piece of bread very lovingly with my hands, but wasn't interested. And this cricket seemed interested at first, but went away thanklessly. But this cricket was incredible. It was given a piece of bread at the tip of a small stick very carefully, and it started eating. Unbelievable. We never knew what crickets eat. See, holding the stick with one hand and eating. That was really a feast to the onlookers. Later, it was given a piece of cooked coconut from steam cake, and surprisingly, it started eating that too. It ate as though it hadn't eaten for days, and we were enjoying that gluttony. Besides that, what fascinated me was that red and white spot on its forehead. It was unexpected on such a little creature and very beautiful. If you liked this experiment, please do share, comment, and subscribe to the channel.